Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In this episode, I'm going to be showing you how to replace your antenna on your Chevy HHR. Let's get to it. So on our Chevy HHR here, the previous owner must have went through one too many car washes or just didn't take very well care of their car, because our antenna here is, kind of broke. So the other day I went ahead and ordered a new antenna that just came in. I'll make sure I have a link down in the description below on Amazon where you can pick up your own new antenna. But I'm going to take you through the steps here on how to replace that antenna, and let's go ahead and hop right into that. So before we get into this, please excuse the bunnies over there. They're making a little bit of noise, but we're just going to ignore them and go ahead and start working on this right here. So this is the antenna. It's probably one of the easiest things you can do to replace on this vehicle. It's just as simple as turning it to the left. If yours is stuck at all, you can get a pair of pliers out and just kind of gingerly see if you can unscrew it a little bit. But this one's coming out okay. It's a little bit annoying taking it out since, they bent it. But we do have our new one here, and we're just going to go ahead and thread it right back in. Should go right in there. Depending on the one you get, it might have a couple of extra pieces of thread in there, more of a universal fit. But this one here was just like factory, nice and easy. And there we go. It's all done. And this old one can be thrown in the trash here. So there we go, just like that. That is done. Installation's complete. So if you like this video, please make sure to give this video a like. If you like the bunnies, make sure to give it a like. Comment down below. Subscribe to my channel. Anything else you can do really helps me out. Also check the Amazon link. I'll have that down below in the description. But until next time, thanks for watching, guys.